Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a music in Davinci Resolve. So firstly open up Davinci Resolve. Then as you can see, I already have a video clip in my timeline. So in order to add music, just simply right click in the media panel. Then click on import media. Then go to the location and choose the music. And after that just simply scroll down and drag and drop the music in the timeline. Then just edit the music to your liking. And if you want to get music, you can just simply download from YouTube Studio, or you can just simply find music from online, or there are multiple places from where you can find the music. So just simply find the music, download it, add in the media, and then just simply drag and drop into a timeline. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.